Hello friends, welcome to all students and teachers our YouTube channel Education Special. Today we are going to talk about first flight lesson second long walk to freedom. Nelson Mandela. Question answer of the lesson. Today we are going to teach about question answer long walk to freedom lesson फर्स्ट फ्लाइट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वेयर डिड द ceremonies take place? Can you name any public building in India that are made of sandstones? Answer here, the ceremonies took place in the amphitheater of Union Building of Pretoria, the Parliament House, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi and Madras High Court in Chennai are some examples of Indian public buildings that are made of sandstone. साथियों, यहाँ पर मैं हिंदी में भी आपको समझा देता हूँ कि सेरेमनीज टेक प्लेस, जो समारोह कहाँ होता था, और पब्लिक बिल्डिंग का नाम बताना है जो कि सैंड स्टोन्स के बने हुए थे. तो जो सेरेमनीज का जो स्थान था वो था यूनियन बिल्डिंग ऑफ प्रिटोरिया और पार्लियामेंट हाउस, द राष्ट्रपति भवन, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इन न्यू दिल्ली, मद्रास हाई कोर्ट. ये सभी एग्जाम्पल हैं बिल्डिंग दैट आर मेड ऑफ सैंड स्टोन्स के बने हुए थे, उनके ये उदाहरण हैं. साथियों, एक बार और निवेदन है आपसे, यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आने वाले वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहेंगे. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है कैन यू से हाउ 10 मई इज़ एन ऑटम डे इन साउथ अफ्रीका? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि 10 मई के दिन जो ऑटम डे दक्षिण अफ्रीका में ऑटम डे क्यों माना जाता है? 10 May is known as an autumn day in South Africa because on this day there was the largest gathering of international leaders on South African soil for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-decisional government. बहुत ही शॉर्ट आंसर है और इम्पोर्टेंट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बुक का पेज नंबर 19. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What is the glorious human achievement he speaks of at the end? By an extraordinary human disaster, Mandela means the inhuman practice of apartheid. For example, the racial discrimination suffered by the blacks at hands of whites in South Africa. He considered as glorious human achievement because of the establishment of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government where the president was a black man. वहाँ पर जो राष्ट्रपति होता है वो अश्वेत व्यक्ति थे जो कि नेल्सन मंडेला के नाम से जाने जाते हैं. What does Mandela thank the international leaders for? जो मंडेला जो जीत हैं वो थैंक द इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स फॉर. मंडेला फेल्ट प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी द होस्ट to the nations of the world because not too long ago the South Africans were considered outlaws on that day. Most of the country's dignitaries were present to attend the swearing in the ceremony. He thus thanked all the international leaders for having come to witness his investiture as president, since this event could be considered as a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. न्याय, शांति और मानवीयता के जो गुणों से परिपूर्ण थी जो विजय, उससे रिलेटेड ये आंसर यहाँ पर हैं. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट आइडियल्स डज ही सेट आउट फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका? Mandela sets out the ideals of poverty, alleviation, removal of suffering of people, He also dreams of a society where there would be no discrimination based on gender or racial origins. Next question है oral comprehensions check. What do the military generals do? How has their attitude changed and why? The highest military generals of South African Defence Force and Police saluted Mandela and praised their loyalty. Their attitude towards blacks has suddenly changed. Instead of arresting a black, they saluted him. If it was during apartheid era, they would have arrested Mandela. The change in their attitude was because of struggle and sacrifice put in by many heroes of South Africa. This struggle not only ensured the freedom of South Africa but also brought a change of mandate for many. Why were two national anthems sung? वहाँ पर दो राष्ट्रगान क्यों गाए जाते हैं? On the day of inauguration, two national anthems were sung. The interpretation of national anthem from Old Republic as well as New Republic was sign of the place of those who were laying the foundation of new nation, as it was a plea to build a society devoid of any type of discrimination, symbolizing the equality of blacks and whites. काले और सफ़ेद में समानता रखना ये भी उसका संकेत है. एंड टू शो दैट इट विल बी ट्रूली मल्टीकल्चरल सोसाइटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हाउ डज मंडेला डिस्क्राइब द सिम्टम्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन हिज कंट्री इन द फर्स्ट डिकेड एंड इन द फाइनल डिकेड. पहले दशक और अंतिम दशक में ऑफ द 20th सेंचुरी 20वीं शताब्दी में किस प्रकार से गवर्नमेंट को वर्णित किया है. फर्स्ट डिकेड द 20th सेंचुरी द वाइट स्किन्ड पीपल ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका पेज्ड अप देयर डिफरेंसेस एंड erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land, thus creating the basis of one the harshest and most inhumane scientist in the world had even known. In the last decade of the 20th century, the previous system had been replaced by another more strong pattern, the one recognized the rights and freedom of all people, regardless of the color of their skin. What does courage mean to Mandela? For Mandela, courage does not mean the absence of fear but a victory over fear. According to him, brave men need not only be fearless but should be able to conquer fear. Next question is which does he think is natural, to love or to hate? For Mandela, love comes more naturally to the human heart than hate. Next question is what twins obligations does Mandela mentions? Mandela mentions that every man has twin obligations. The first is towards his family, parents, wife, children. The second obligation is his contribution towards fellow people, his community and his country. Next question is what did being free man to Mandela as a boy and a student? How does he contrast these transitory freedoms with the basic and honorable freedoms? Like any other kid, for Mandela also the freedom meant to make, marry and enjoy the blissful life in every possible way. But once an adult, the antics of childhood look like transitory because in an adult's perspective most of the childhood activities are waste of time. As a grown-up, you have to step out of your comfort zone to earn a livelihood to bring the back on home. It is only then that you get an honorable existence in the family and in the society. Does Mandela think the oppressor is free? Why or why not? Mandela does not feel that the oppressor is free because according to him an oppressor is prisoner or hatred who is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. He feels that both the oppressor and oppressed are robbed of their humanity. Thinking about the text. Next question is Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? What did it signify? The triumph of the presence of large number of international leaders was a gesture of solidarity from international community to the idea of the end of apartheid. It signified the triumph of good over evil, the triumph of idea of for more tolerant society without any discrimination. What does Mandela mean when he says is simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him? Mandela wants to pay his tribute to all the people who had sacrificed their lives for the sake of freedom. He feels that he is simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him, as he only was carrying forward the baton of the freedom struggle, the legacy of leaders of yesteryears who had paved the path of cooperation and unity for him. Therefore, he got the support of his people to be able to come to power to bring quality for his own people. Next question is, would you agree that if the parts operation create heights of character, how does Mandela illustrate this? Can you add your own example to this argument? Yes, I agreed that the paths of depression create heights of characters. Nelson Mandela illustrates this by giving examples of great heroes of South Africa who sacrificed their lives in the long freedom struggle. लंबे समय से उन्होंने संघर्ष किया, साउथ अफ्रीका की लिए बलिदान दिया अपने जीवन का. इंडिया इज फुल ऑफ सच एग्जाम्पल. ड्यूरिंग आवर फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल देयर वाज गैलेक्सी ऑफ लीडर्स, ग्रेट कैरेक्टर्स. प्रोबेबली the oppressions of British rule created so many men of such characters. If we compare this with the quality of political leaders India is having today, then Nelson Mandela seems to be absolutely right. Next question is, how did Mandela's understanding of freedom change with age and experience? With age, Nelson Mandela realized that he had a lot of responsibilities towards his people, his community, and his country. As a boy, Mandela did not have hunger for freedom because he thought that he was born free. He believed that as long as he obeyed his father and abided by the customs of his tribe, he was free in every possible manner. He had certain needs as a teenager and then certain needs as a young man. He slowly understands that it is not just his freedom that is being curtailed but freedom of all blacks. It is after attending understanding that he develops a hunger for the freedom of his people. Thus, as an experience made his perspective more wide. And here last questions. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Mandela realized in his youth that it was not just his freedom that was being curtailed but the freedom of all blacks. The hunger for his own freedom gradually turned into hunger for freedom of his people. This desire of non-recital society transformed him into a virtuous and self-sacrificing man. Thus, he joined the African National Congress, and these changed fearful men to fearless rebel. He sacrificed the comforts of a settled family life to fight for a greater cause. तो साथियों, आज हमने कक्षा 10वीं अंग्रेजी का लेसन है लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम जो कि नेल्सन मंडेला का है, इसके महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नोत्तर को हमने समझने का प्रयास किया है. आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. यदि वीडियो पसंद आया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. प्रेस बेल आइकन एंड देन like, comment and share this video. Thanks to viewers. जय हिंद, जय भारत.